Hello everyone, this is Sandeep Bhansali, faculty at GIBS Finishing School. GIBS is an institute of international standards. We have been recognized as one of the top B-schools in the country. Here at GIBS, we help the students to groom their skills right from the scratch. The main objective at GIBS Finishing School is to prepare the students as per the industry. Firstly, GFS is throughout the 2 years and every single Saturday loaded with a lot of practical exposure for the students. It is spread across 4 different levels in which a student has to undergo a regressive 400 plus hours of training. Right from the beginning with pre-assessment, goal setting, image consultant, language mastery program, attitude building, resume preparations, HR interactions, aptitude tests, GD preparations, and so on and so forth, and finally ended with the post-assessment. The students are shared with a continuous feedback so that they get to know where they exactly stands for. GIBS is not only prepared for the final placements, but also to make sure that it aims to foster the corporate and entrepreneurial growth. Finally, I must say this, the GIBS has attained a degree of distinction by setting the standard for superior educational quality, moral upkeepment, and the intellectual support throughout the entire spectrum of advanced education in India. GIBS Finishing School is one where we look forward for the student's growth right from the scratch until the student reaches his career and at a great point. Thank you so much. Wish you good luck for all the students, and I hope they have amazing future endeavor in the jobs. Thank you so much.